Hey, it's Sam Manor from Little's Child Restraints. Today we're down here at Barton Ridge and I'm here with our client Johnny. Now he's got 4 children with the possible with 5 or maybe 6. Let's stick to 4 for the time being. But he's just bought himself a 2024 LDV, and it's an LDV, and you can see it here, it's a Mifa. Now it's a 7-seater, and with the Mifa they come with 3 anchor points, factory fitted. Only problem is when you got 4 children, you need 4 anchor points. So we had to add some more points in the back of the car. Unfortunately, the seats are not tested at the back, so we had to put a CRA-Bar, Child Restraint Anchorage bar in the back. And I want to show you this because it gave him 3 points rather than just 2 points in the back, which means now his vehicle has 5 anchor points. So we've got the bar here. Now to come up nice and high. Now you can see the double pram that he's got here, which means there's the existing point down the bottom here. I'll just move the leg down here. There's the factory fitted points there, and also into the what they call the captain seats in the middle row there. Now the bar doesn't require an engineer's report, but the bar was set up high. Had to work it out to make sure we've got the plates in there in the correct spot. But we were able to fit the 3 seats in the back. I normally generally recommend the Maxi Guards or the Maxi Harness by Safe and Sound, which goes from 6 months to 8 years. Nice narrow seats. We've got a Infa Secura seat, we've got 2 Safe and Sound seats, a Graphene and a Millennia. They all fit in the back, which means the Maxi Guard is going to fit comfortably across the back there. Now, what I love about this car, you have to see inside. So there's the 3 seats in the back here. How good is this? I mean, the technology in this car is great. What I love about this car, it's the seats are into the seat belts, like the Kia Carnivals, are integrated into the seats there, which means you're able to move the seats back and forth as you need to give the children some room, leg room in the back there. So he's got the 3 kids at the back. John, you got 3? You got 4 kids or 5?
4 kids.
5. Why have we got 3 there and 2 up here?
Kids. Oh, because I want to test you.
Oh, to test me.
How good you really are.
Oh, you can see the seats have got the newborn on the passenger side. Now you've got a Mifa, it's an LDV. Can we put the extra points in? Absolutely. I'm Sam. I hope this has been helpful. We'll catch you on the next video.